Hello students, today we are going to learn different angles to be drawn by the magic device. This is that magic device which we are going to use. Let us start with the first angle which can be drawn with this, that is 60 degree. With any measurement, draw line segment. Always name the geometric figure. Name it as A and B. We are going to draw angle 60 degree, that is angle CAB, which will be 60 degree. Fine, students. So now, most of the students are scared of this instrument. You don't have to be scared of this instrument. You have to be friendly with it. So with any radius, take anywhere. We have to draw 60 degrees. Since it is CAB, I'll put at A. Taking A as a center, draw a semicircle. This is 0 degree. Without changing the radius, put at the point, cut an arc. Now, let me make it very clear. This is explanatory. This is 0 degree and this is 60. Take the scale and make an angle 60 degree. So your angle CAB is 60 degree. I hope this is clear, students. Hello students, as we have already constructed 60 degree, now we are going to construct 30 degree. To construct 30 degree, we will require 60 degree, so it will be a kind of revision for you all. So let us start constructing 60 degree. We are going to construct angle PQR. Again, it is a repeat telecast. We are going to draw segment PQ of any measurement. If your teacher gives the measurement, take that measurement, or else you can take any measurement. So we'll name it as QR. So QR. Now we are going to draw PQR. Taking Q as a center with any radius, draw semicircle. This is, as you know, 0 degree, and put on 0 degree, the first cut is 60 degree. Now, many students keep on asking me 60 degree, should we draw dotted line? It is up to you. It is an helping angle. So, to specify this is an helping angle, we will construct it as dotted line. Now, this is 0 degree for your reference and this is 60 degree. We are going to bisect angle 0 and 60. To bisect, what we will do, take an angle, take a rounder, put it at 0. Now, it's up to you. You can take till 60 or your teacher will say more than half. So, here cut an arc, take 0 as a 60 as a center and cut an arc. I hope this is clear. Now, draw line segment, and we'll name this. We'll name this as P because we have to draw PQR. So PQR is 30 degree. Learn one more thing. PQ is an angle bisector. PQ is an angle bisector. Done, students? It has bisected angle 60 degree into two equal halves. So we have not only learned to draw 30 degree, but one new concept is made clear, that PQ is an angle bisector. Okay, students, as we have completed 60 degree, 30 degree, now we are going to focus on construction of 90 degree. We are going to construct angle XYZ, where angle Y is 90 degree. Let us start. As we start, same way, draw a line segment XY of any measurement, or if your teacher gives, use that measurement. So this will be Y and this will be Z. Taking Y as a center with any radius. You can go for smaller radius. So taking Y as a center, draw a semicircle. Now, this is what angle, student? This is 0. So the first cut which we will give, as you all know, it is 60. Put on 60 and give the next cut. Is a new introduction. The next cut will be 120. Fine. Now, to construct 90 degree, we are going to bisect 60 degree. This is for your reference I am writing, and 120 degree. So bisecting 60 with the same radius. I have not changed the radius. Taking 60 as a center, cut an arc, and taking 120 as an angle, cut an arc. So again repeat, take a YZ segment, taking Y as a center, draw the semicircle, put at 0 degree, give a first cut 60 degree, put on 60, give the next cut 120, and we need to bisect 60 and 120. So with the same radius, put at 60, cut an arc, and put at 120, cut an arc. I hope this is clear. Now we'll join the point. So we have to draw angle XYZ 90 degree. I hope this is clear, student. I know many steps are there, but it's not so difficult. With practice, you will become pro. Hello, students. After constructing 90 degree, we are going to now draw 45 degree. So 45 degree angle, let us take LMN. So we are going to construct L angle LMN 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree is a bisector of 0 and 90. So as you all know, we will require helping angle that is 90 degree. So whatever in the beginning stage I will do the construction is a repeat telecast of 90 degree. So it will be a kind of revision for you. So it's a recap of 90 degree and add on of 45 degree. Let us start. So you all know, let me start with the segment. So line segment of any measurement we will draw. Fine. We will name it as MM. Taking M as a center. Come on, repeat. We will draw a semicircle. Fine, students. Put at 0, first cut, 60, second cut, 120. Don't pick up the rounder. Next cut, and at 120, next cut. Was that so difficult? No, it's a revision. So here we have constructed right now 90 degree. But as I told you, we have to draw the helping angle as dotted line. So we come to know that this is an helping angle. Fine, student. So this is 90 degree. So this is 0 and this is 90. We are going to bisect 0 and 90, and I have introduced here angle bisector. See here, PQ is an angle bisector. Same way we are going to draw angle bisector of 0 degree and 90 degree. And what will be obtained? We will obtain angle LMN, which is 45 degree. So let us start putting a rounder on 0 degree. You can take till 90 or you can take more than half. Cut an arc, taking 90 as a center and cut an arc. So here we got angle 45. So here this is L. LMN is 45 degree. Fine. So as I told you, what is LM? LM is the angle bisector of 90 degree. So this construction not only teaches you how to construct angle LMN, which is 45 degree, but also we have revised LM is an angle bisector of 90 degree. Okay, students, we have constructed 60, 30, 90, 45. Let us draw an angle which is 75 degree, and here also there will be a repeat telecast of 90 degree. But what we are going to bisect right now is 60 and 90. Now I'll teach you one trick over here. How we are supposed to know that what we have to bisect. Find 75. As I told you, here it was 0 and 90. When we bisected, we got 45. We bisected 0 and 60, we got 30. Now the question arises, what we have to bisect for 75? An easy trick I'll teach you, double 75. So on doubling 75, 75 into 2, that is 150. Correct, students? And now to construct divide 150 in such a way that those two angles you know how to draw. Fine. So 150 can be divided as 90 and 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. Correct, students? You know how to draw 60, you know how to draw 60, you know how to draw 90. So a 75 is going to be between 90 and 60. So in construction of angle EFG, angle F is 75 degree, where we are going to bisect what? 60 degree and 90 degree. I hope you understood this trick. So let us start with the construction, and again it will be repeat telecast for constructing 60 and 90. So without wasting time, fatafat we'll do the construction. So let us start. Draw the line segment FG. Taking what? F as a center with small radius. Any radius you can take. I am taking a small radius. So here, first cut. This is 0. Tell me the next cut 60 degree. The next cut 120 without moving. Here, draw a segment here, putting at 120, draw here. So here we got in one go 90 as well as 60. So again, this is a helping line. Correct? We have drawn 9 and this is 60. So again, this will be a helping line. I was little quick here because I have already constructed for you all 90 and 60. So now students, this is 0 degree which is not required right now. This is 60 and this is 90. So we are going to bisect. I know this is very small angle. Many students, they tear the page when they are not doing it properly. There is a big hole in the paper. So to avoid that, you have to become master, and to become master you need to practice. So here taking 60 degree as a center, little below 90, or you can take till 90 and cut an arc, and putting your rounder at 90, take 90 as a center and cut an arc. I hope this is clear. So now here we go. Here we got angle 75 which is between 90. So we'll not draw dotted line. We are going to draw a, this time I'll put the arrow and we'll name it as E. So EFG. This entire thing is what? This entire thing is 75 degree. You can explain your friends this trick of how what to bisect, because the first question arises what to bisect for 75 degree. Okay, students, after the long journey of construction where we have constructed 60, 30, 90, 45, 75. Now I am going to construct for you all angle ABC 120 and angle DBC 180. It will be asked in exam separately as it is asked that way you will construct. So first I'll teach you to construct 120. So I've already drawn segment BC for you. Fine. And we are going to first construct 120. Taking B as a center, draw radius of any measurement. Fine. This is 0, the first cut. Come on, fast. It is 60. The next cut, 120. So here we have drawn 120. Now the big confusion between students is that 120 will go where? Inside or outside? Let me tell you, 120 is an obtuse angle and it is always away from the base. So here we are going to draw angle 120. So yeah, ABC. So we'll name it as ABC, which is 120 degree. Fine. Now to construct 180. To construct 180, we will not draw this dotted line. We will continue. So again, I'll repeat the steps. Draw BC. Take B as a center. Draw semicircle. This is 0 degree. Correct. This is second cut 60 degree. The third cut is 120 degree. And taking 120 as a center, the same radius, 120 as a center, cut an arc, and you get what? 180. So this is 180, and you all know 180 is an angle of straight line. 180 is an angle of straight line. So here, this I will name it as DBC. So this is DBC. This is DBC, which is 180. I hope you understood, students. So here, I complete this session by teaching you all 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree.